Looking for a quick, stylish way to refresh your phone grip without buying a whole new PopGrip? The PopSocket replacement top gives you exactly that, an easy, affordable way to switch up your phone's look or add new functions in seconds. Here's the deal. Instead of replacing your entire PopGrip, just pop off the top, turn it 90 degrees until it clicks, and swap in a new PopTop that matches your outfit, mood, or event. Whether you want a sparkly design for the holidays or a sleek, minimalist look for work, the choice is yours. Plus, when you need to wirelessly charge your phone, simply remove the top, no fuss, no extra gear. I've used the PopSocket replacement top myself, and what stands out is how secure the grip remains. It's perfect for one-handed texting, scrolling, or snapping photos. And when you want to kick back, it doubles as a reliable stand, propping your phone up at just the right angle. It works seamlessly with PopGrip, PopSlide, PopWallet Plus, and PopCase, so no matter your setup, it fits right in. One user shared how the sparkly holiday-themed top brought extra flair to their phone, pairing perfectly with a matching OtterBox cover. They loved the easy installation and the grip's dependable hold, calling it a great way to switch things up for special occasions without breaking the bank. If you're someone who enjoys personalizing your phone or simply wants the flexibility to change styles on the fly, the PopSocket replacement top is worth a look. It's a small upgrade that makes a noticeable difference, giving you control over your phone's style and function without clutter or hassle. Try it when you're ready to add fresh style and convenience to your everyday phone use. With the PopSocket replacement top, what you get is simple. A quick style swap, reliable grip, and hands-free comfort every time you pick up your phone.